Let's prepare simple, quick and tasty egg rice recipe by using leftover rice. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Here I have some leftover rice. It is approximately 2 cups of leftover rice. From this we can make for 2 members. In a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I am going to add 3 eggs. Scramble the eggs and semi-fry. Once done, remove it on a plate. Next, in a same kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add 1/4 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Next, I am going to add 1/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry for a while. Now I am going to add 1 small finely chopped green chili, few coriander leaves, one small finely chopped onion. Fry the onions until they are transparent. Now we will add scrambled egg to it. One-fourth tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Add salt as per taste. Now we will add cooked rice or leftover rice. Give it a good mix. Now I am going to add little salt if required only. And finally we need to squeeze half lemon to it. Mix really well. And finally garnish with some coriander leaves. This is optional, so I have added very little coriander leaves. And the super tasty, simple and quick egg rice recipe is ready. So along with this I am going to make aloo fry. First wash the aloo and cut it slicely. Now add little salt or as per taste. Next, here I have fish masala. So fish masala recipe is already in my channel. You can go and check it there. So this is I'm going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of fish masala to this. Mix well and rest them for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will fry aloo slices on tawa. Add some oil. Once the tawa is hot, add all the aloo slices and fry them well. Once one side is fried, flip over to another side and fry as well. And the aloo fry also ready. Enjoy this combination with your family. This is a perfect recipe for bachelors and very quick and easy. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next video.